Things to do when you're alone on a tennis court. Number 1, wall practice. If there's a wall, that's the big bonus. Rally with forehands and backhands, then move to the serve and volleys for consistency. But remember, you can never win against the rules, so don't even try. Serve and to celebs. Work on your toes for serves. You can also smash the ball high to practice loads and control. Number 3, serving drills. No wall, no problem. Practice serving from both dish and sides. Alternating across different courts and bonus tips. Maglinis ka kung nasa court ka. Naglaro-laro ka dyan, tapos hindi ka magrunong maglinis, magtapon ng basura mo. Ano ngayon? Gusto mo maglaro, linis, kay ayaw? Unsa wala dong? Kay maguli na ta, kay naguto, maglakaw na ta sa initan. Oy, gagwapa ani, oy. Pakak.